Want to get cheat sheets, audiobooks, lessons, apps, and much more every month for free? Just click the link in the description to get your free language gifts of the month.
Hi everyone, my name is Perihan and this is Arabic Top Words. Today our topic is going to be 5 sentence patterns for beginners. So let's get started. Ismi. My name is. Ismi. Ismi. It means my name. For example, Ismi Perihan. Ismi Perihan. My name is Perihan. You can also say Ana Perihan. Ana Perihan. I am Perihan. Ana بحب. I like. أنا بحب. أنا بحب. I like. The verb بحب means love, but in Arabic we usually also use it as in like. So we don't really mean as in I love something. It's just we mean like I fancy this or I like this. So for example, you can say أنا بحب التفاح. أنا بحب التفاح. I like apples. أنا مش بحب. I don't like. And in the opposite of أنا بحب is أنا مش بحب. أنا مش بحب. I don't like. So here you should notice that مش means not or don't. So أنا مش بحب. I don't like. For example, أنا مش بحب الجري. أنا مش بحب الجري. I don't like running. Or for example, أنا مش بحب البرتقال. أنا مش بحب البرتقال. I don't like orange. أنا. I am. The next one is أنا. أنا, which means I am. For example, أنا تعبان. أنا تعبان. I'm tired for a male, and أنا تعبانة. I am tired for a female. So just say أنا, I am, and put wherever you want afterwards. In Arabic, usually we don't say أنا so much, so we usually just say the adjective straight away without I am. So for example, تعبان, تعبان. That means I am tired. Or زهقان. I am so bored. زهقان. I am bored. Without I am. Usually you cannot do this in English, but you can do that with the other languages like Japanese and so on. So keep that in mind. أنا مش. I am not. أنا مش. أنا مش. As we said earlier, مش means not or don't. So this means I am not. For example, you can say أنا مش عيان. أنا مش عيان. I am not sick. Or for example, أنا مش زعلان. أنا مش زعلان. For a male, that means I'm not upset. And أنا مش زعلانة. For a female, I am not upset. And أنا مش عيان. For a male, it means I am not sick. And for a female, it's أنا مش عيانة. أنا مش عيانة. Also, in the negative sentence, you don't have to say أنا. You don't have to say I am. You can omit it. So you can say مش زعلان. مش تعبان. مش هروح. I am not going. Without saying أنا, and you will be perfectly understood. That's it for today. Easy, right? If you have any other basic sentence you would like to share, don't forget to write it in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like and visit our website, arabicpod101.com. Bye-bye!